Hello everyone, I'm Palash Dhavde. I'm CTO of Ramsetu. Along with me here today is Rahul Shahu. Ramsetu is an agro-commodity e-auction platform that connects farmers directly to food processing industries and oil mills. Here, you can see how a traditional grain trading system works in current APMC Mandi. A long cycle of processes is involved with multiple entities that include farmers, middlemen, APMC Mandi, commission agents, brokers, and then finally food industries. Here we can see that farmer is not directly connected with food industries, which is the sole reason he is always underpaid while selling his produce. Now let's see how inefficient is this traditional model. 15 to 20% of product value is lost in this system as margins and commissions. Transportation takes a cyclical route. For example, if the distance between farmer's place and industry is 200 km, the product will travel 300 km before reaching its destination industry. Similarly, the product is packed and unpacked every time it goes through quality verification check at different points, which increases the labor cost. To cope up with this problem, we have introduced a tech-based platform with a bidding system that enables farmers to get higher profits and food industries to shift their physical purchase methods to a more efficient digitized method. Talking about the efficiency, Ram Setu charges only 3 to 5% of platform charge depending upon various commodities. Transportation is also made efficient as the product is transported directly from farmer's place to the food industry. Even the packaging is done only once at the time of weighing, which also reduces the labor cost. Ram Setu has two modes of revenue generation. One is 3 to 5% platform fee charged on every single deal depending upon various commodities, and secondly, the subscription based model we are going to introduce in future for food industries where they have to pay an annual fee to use our platform's premium trading services. Being premium, they will have access to bid on larger quantities and best quality products. About the market size of this sector. In India, 60% of population is directly or indirectly connected to agriculture sector, which aggregate around 54,000 crores, in which the farming sector accounts for INR 28,100 crore and food processing industries has a market cap of 13,500 crore. Our first app was launched in Jan 2022 and we got to see a major participation with 30 plus food industries registering to our platform with a verified seller base of 500 plus farmers. Our trade value on platform accounted for 4 CR, generating a core profit of rupees 12 lakh for the company. Based on our current fund resources, in the upcoming year, we intend to expand our operations in the state of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh. And our projections of trade value is 80 CR, which will lead to a profit of 2.4 CR for the company as platform charges and 1 CR from subscription models. By hearing all our projected numbers, you will be wondering that we are working in a tight space with a lot of competitors. But we are the first in the market approach for digital auction of agro commodities. So we don't have direct competitors, but all our indirect competitors work in multiple domains like selling seeds, fertilizers, farm equipments, agro commodities, and some of them are in the field of digital crop surveillance. They are using technology to connect all entities of supply chain system and making them shift from physical practices to digital one. But on the other hand, Ram Setu focus only on providing transparent, profitable, and competitive trading environment between only the farmers and food industries. So basically, Ram Setu is exclusive for only two entities, that is farmers and food industries. Our company had two co-founders. Rahul, who is a hustler, he manages all the on-ground operations, while I am a techie who provide all the tech-based solutions for the platform. We both had our previous independent ventures. Rahul used to run a three generation old family trading business and a food brand he created named Shawarma King. While I used to run a tech based platform named the Laundry Company. But now we have shut down our previous ventures due to COVID and are working currently full time on Ram Setu. We are here to ask for a fund of rupees 20 CR in order to expand our area of operations pan India. We will need these funds in upcoming 8 to 10 months of time. We will be utilizing these funds for technology enhancement, expanding our RS handler network in other states, hiring and expanding our current IT team. We will form two marketing teams, one corporate team to acquire food industries and a local team from villages who will connect farmers to our platform. Then finally, we will keep a fund reserve for company to manage its future cash flow and burnouts. Uh, Currently, Indian agriculture sector contributes a total of 19% in our 2.7 trillion economy, which is expected to reach 28% till the year 2025. So I think it's a good opportunity for you to invest in this sector and make a most out of it in current times. Thank you.